Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Just going to take you through how to prune back my white phlox, white scented phlox. That's one plant there. Started off with just a couple of shoots about 3 or 4 years ago, and I just divide it every year. That's the second one. Here's the biggest one of all, the third one there. So yeah, I'm just going to show you how I prune them back for the winter. Yeah, as you can see, these are finished flowering now. So all I'm going to do then is, I'm not collecting any seeds off these this year, but these phlox really flower well. Now they use your little flower pruners or your big old loppers there. I prefer when it's just this size, just to get in there. Just use the little pruners like so. Leave a few inches off the bottom, like so. But these smart sort of divine these in the summer, and if you cut them back when they've been growing, just so you get more flowers out before they start picking flowers. You can see where I put it back last year, so the dead shoots there. A few more to do. Yeah, once you get, I recommend these, the perennial, they come back every year. Once you buy one from the garden centre, after a year or so you can split it and you end up with 5 or 6 really nice healthy plants. This has been divided planting here for about 2 years now. Next year they'll be ready for splitting. I'll get to repot them on and sell a few then, get some money back. But yeah, they like full sun these. Well drained soil. So all that's done. You see. And then all I tend to do is get my hand in there, just run it through, get anything from the rocks, any old stalks that are broken off, censor it, like so. There you have it. That's perfect for next spring, that. So I'll just show you some more. I've got another one here. This is really looking well. That one needs pruning back as well. But if you've got any questions regarding stocks and how to look after them, how to prune them back, please don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, folks, please subscribe, and please press the alert button. And remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and keep safe. Thank you. Bye.